Oh my God!
There it is.
See that?
Oh yeah. What's up, everybody? Lucas here with my lovely wife Jaclyn. Today I'm going to teach her how to spin a pen, but you gotta focus. I've seen you do maybe the thumb around before like that, or at least try it. Do you want to give that a whirl? I think just honestly do your best. Like, all right,
Do it.
Well, that
Is that it?
that actually works. So I've never actually seen that technique before, but
You telling me I'm doing it wrong?
there is no wrong way to spin a pen as long as it spins, and if it looks cool, it counts in my books. Yeah, so usually when I thumb around, I push it with the middle finger like that, but I think she is pushing it with the index finger, and wow, what the heck are you? Is this gonna be ending up you teaching me here? Yo, that's so weird. I don't know. I mean, if you do it a certain way, that is crazy. Okay, so I knew I saw you do this before. That's why I asked you, but I never knew
It's been years though.
you did it like this. Like, what the heck? There we go. All right.
Trick acquired.
Yo, I gotta get a close-up slow-mo of you doing it the way you do it. I go like this, just with the middle finger, and then I push it like that.
How are you coming back and like smacking it?
No, just like a little bit, like
Really?
boom, yeah.
How do you get yours to come?
Yeah, you just just like that. You almost had it. Yeah, there you go. Just yeah.
Yeah.
There it is. All right,
What's
so
up?
yeah, so you pretty much already kind of had that down because you were doing it your way. Which, if there's already a name for that move, the way she was doing it, let me know. Or if it's just a modified thumb around. So because you could already thumb around, I want to teach you something a little bit more sophisticated. All right, a little bit more difficult.
Wow.
The Sonic.
That's pretty cool.
Can we do that one?
I don't know. Show me how to do it.
Basically what you want to do is just a basic Sonic. You want to grab it between the middle finger and the ring finger like this in the middle. And then you want to have the end, and you want to flick it on that thumb so you get this like circular motion like
And
this.
it's going clockwise.
Yes. From here, it flicks around, then the butt end comes over the middle finger and lands
Ooh.
in there like that. And it's so satisfying and it feels so good. Yeah.
This?
Yeah, the butt end comes up. No.
Are you
so
sure?
yeah. So hold it there, you
Okay.
flick this around, you keep that middle finger tucked down, and then you let that butt end come up and over and then drop into that zone like that.
What?
Yeah. So get the flick down first. Just do this. Just go like this because it'll kind of happen. Yeah, and then let that butt end come out and over. Yeah, let it come out and over. You just had it though.
I don't like it.
No, you do like it and you will love it when you get it, trust me. Oh, that was it. That was so it. Yeah, that was it. Okay.
How do you do it?
Just like this, just like, there it is! You get that, I swear, get that flick down, and sometimes it just happens automatically. You get that flick down, so I'm doing that flick, and then just let that butt end spin over. There it is, right there, there it is. Should probably put on safety glasses. Oh, right, close. Close. Hold it in there, you flick this, let that butt end go around, duck that middle finger up and over into that one.
For some reason, I want it to go like under.
Yeah, it's probably just like, yes.
Oh, I don't like it.
You will like it though. I didn't like it the first time either. I remember back in the day, back 15 years ago when I learned it. Yeah.
How long did it take you to learn this?
It took me a whole maybe like a class day, day in class. Dropped my pencil in Spanish. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh, all right, let me get a close-up of that. I want to get a close-up.
So satisfying when you get it.
Okay, so far you already kind of had the thumb around doing it like your strange little way right there. But you figured it out the other way. And also
that was so smooth.
Yeah, you were able to do the Sonic. You'll probably get way better at it if you just keep up with it. Maybe like 30 minutes a day.
A day?
Honestly, probably like 5 minutes a day would probably suffice if you already got it down, just a little bit here and there. One thing I do want to share with you guys is you might notice that I don't have any pen spin mods. This is an actual pen and this is an actual pencil. However, a cheap way to build your pen or pencil so that it has like a good counterbalance is to buy these cheap, I think they're called pencil helmet erasers, and they're kind of a little bit heavy and they'll distribute the weight a little bit better on your pencil if you put them one on each side so that it spins kind of like a pen spin mod.
Is this a joke?
No, look at that. It's spinning like, first of all, like certain moves, like if I do the T-whirl, it works so much better because of that counterweight, you know? That's...
Oh, that was almost a double.
That was almost a double, yeah.
Oh, I want a dub.
I don't know. Try the Sonic with that maybe? See if it's easier. Oh! That was so smooth. Yo, I think you got it down. Oh, you got it down.
2 for 2, baby. 3
Oh,
for 3.
Yo, I think you got it down. I think like it locked in.
The thing that helped me the most right away was like when you kind of walked it around my fingers like this.
Okay, when I moved it around there.
Yeah, because what I wanted to do was like take it kind of up and over both.
Okay.
Which would have been really wrong.
Alright, so that's a good thing to understand there is if you're struggling getting the Sonic, if it's just like melting your brain, a good way to just help you learn the move is just take your other hand and walk it through there a few times. And just like keep walking it until you're like, okay, oh yeah, and then you get it.
And then the first time you get it, you know that you could do it again.
Yeah.
So it's just about like trying and trying and trying.
So I think that was a key takeaway point right there if anyone's struggling learning that move. Boom. Yeah, well, what was that? That was like a... Now you're doing something else.
Still don't...
Alright, you want to try the super flick?
Yes.
Alright, this is the super flick. That's what I call it. If there's an official name for this, I mean, let me know. So, honestly, it's just between the index and middle finger, and then you do a little flick off the thumb just like you would the Sonic.
Okay.
But you just tilt your wrist back and throw it up in the air, kind of like a spin. It's honestly just spinning the pen. But if you can get it like a nice little flick, you can kind of get it to stay in place. And then you can like, it just looks cool. And you can do it off of certain moves like that, you know? Yeah. Yeah, it's literally just that. Boom.
Why is that harder than it looks?
Well, you need to get control over it to get it to stay kind of in that same spot, you know? Cause, yeah, there it is. That was it. There it is.
It would be nice to have it so fluid, like get it back, then like Sonic.
I know, that's like the point, is if you can land it back in the same spot you caught it in, that's the true magic right there. Gotta build yourself up.
I know.
Gotta take your time.
I'm gonna get an overuse injury.
Yeah, you know, you're gonna get that thumbinitis.
When you get something, it just feels too good.
Whoa, what the frick was that? What is that? What are you doing?
Hip-hop style.
That is not a, no, what was that one? Okay, yeah, what the?
I'm jealous?
Yeah. What is that?
I'm just thinking of new combinations that your brain can't even meld.
Yeah, that is not a Sonic. That's like a...
McSwirl.
That's like a, you're passing it up.
I know. Oh my gosh, did you see that?
Yeah.
I don't know what that was, but that was sick.
Yo, that's, it's like a, yeah.
Did you see that? Was that a double Sonic or what was that?
I don't know.
You wish.
No, I got it. Wait, that's what you're doing. You gotta catch it. Oh, you gotta catch it at the right time. So actually, meanwhile, she kind of taught me some new moves as well. I guess this like little half pass thing, and then doing a thumb around with your index finger. All strange like that, yeah, right. So maybe we'll add that to the arsenal. Maybe we'll add that to a tutorial or a slow motion video. I don't know, you know, never ever deny more content. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some good tips from this video, from teaching on the spot, actually learning this stuff in person right now, right here. I think the biggest takeaway point was just go through the motion with the other hand, you know, if you're trying to learn the Sonic specifically, but you know, even with these other moves, you can just go through the motion with the other hand, probably would help out.
Definitely.
Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see me teach Jaclyn some more stuff, maybe some more pen spins later down the road. With that being said, don't forget to subscribe, turn those notifications on, stay tuned, more videos coming out. Peace, hope you all have a great day. I will see you all in the next video.